Good morning, guys. So today, I don't know what we are doing today, but I figure we'll just take you guys along. Probably just gonna run out and do a little bit of shopping. Gotta get some stuff for the car. So I'll take you guys along. It's so disgusting. You guys go.
Mummy, Mom, we can find our gents sport jacket. We can't find them.
I don't know where they are.
So am I supposed to know where they are?
Mr. Bello, more. Thank you for the money.
I don't know where those are, so we're getting ready to leave. Oh gosh, so we are leaving. Of course, I gotta wait on the girls as usual. Always have to wait on the girls. So Rissa can't find her shoes. I don't know. Her white, what are they called? All-star shoes? She can't find them. Ever.
No, I was done before Rissa.
I need to get my wall mount for the car. It took forever. We're just getting something quick to eat for breakfast. Well, me and Abby. Kids already ate their cereal, so we're just actually at Timmy's.
We never eat nothing, Mama.
Excuse you? What do you mean you didn't eat anything? Of course you guys ate.
I only drink milk.
Yeah, you only drink milk. I swear I seen you with a big old grandma bowl of cereal. You see, yes? You're so disgusting, but you don't eat nothing. All you guys had cereal. Me and Ryan was the only one that didn't eat.
Mommy, Rissa.
Yeah, well, Arissa had what? Fried chicken for breakfast?
Yeah,
she was eating her leftover dinner?
No, that was Memphis's chicken.
Okay. Well, alright. So you guys all ate. We're gonna have something to eat. You guys are good. The most you guys can get is some Timbits.
Yeah!
So, this is our spot. Timmy is going to get ourselves some breakfast. So we are off to the park. Gonna have some family time. Just me and the kids. Figured that do a little bit of vlogging and just hang out with the kids for the day.
So if you have 1,000.
That's coming. Daddy, Daddy.
Mommy! My
You gone? What you begging?
You guys look at our outfits.
Okay.
Can we just know?
No! No! No, come on! I got it. Mario! You almost dropped my phone out of my hand. You're so disgusting. Bye. We're just playing soccer. Well, soccer along with other things.
Excuse me, I want to do my
Ew. Wipe out.
It's not funny.
That is hilarious.
This is cartwheel. Ready? Are you ready?
No, what is that?
It's called a cartwheel. What are you doing?
Oh gosh. You guys are getting there.
Round off.
That is hilarious. Yes, this is
Mommy,
how you
I
do a
can
half a
almost-
cartwheel.
Yeah. Mommy, I can almost split. Do
You
it?
always split.
Huh? You want to see?
Yes, I got my pro baller here. Yes, take it to the next level. Oh, you did it? That's not quite fully a split. See my ball, my pro ball player. Oh gosh, I'm my gymnastic queen bees. My gymnastic queen bees.
Let me move.
That is too crazy. What are you doing? Oh gosh. Encouragement though. Keep going. You guys can get it. You gotta straighten out your legs. Straighten them.
Yeah, you did it better.
Almost. Getting there. Why you kick me? Memphis!
Rainbow. Mommy, I can do a better one now.
You almost kicked me in my face. Oh.
Can I do a handstand?
Memphis! What the? Listen here. It's called the
I
rainbow.
can do a handstand. No.
But apparently I'm gonna steal the ball from you.
I'm all played out. This kid's been playing forever. Oh, they're just
They're coming on your car.
heading home. What is all of this stuff?
What's that? Gum.
Oh, my hair is a mess. That was a nice little fun thing at the park.
Now I'm hungry. Me too.
Hey guys, good morning and happy Thanksgiving, y'all. So today I will be doing a Thanksgiving dinner with you guys. So I'm gonna be cooking for the day, and I also gotta make Thanksgiving breakfast. So I just wanted to come and vlog and take you guys along. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing in the kitchen. I've already put my seasoning together, call it my special sauce. So I've put my seasoning together, and I also have my turkey pre-prep. So yeah, it's been washed in vinegar, salt water, and I put some lemon in it. So, and that's how I wash it, to get that rawness totally off of that bad boy. So I'm just gonna show you guys how my turkey's prep, and then we are gonna get the show on the road. Here is my secret seasoning that I have mixed up. I also have this, and there's my turkey all well washed with vinegar and lime. And good to go. I just want to show you guys that now, and I'm gonna get this turkey seasoned. Let's go. I wanted to come along and show you guys that, and we are gonna get started on all this. Yeah, I know it's so hard. My kitchen back home, as towards being in Canada, is way bigger. So I got a smaller kitchen and a little wiggle room to work with. But I'm gonna get it done. Today my girls are actually going to help me make Thanksgiving dinner. What a blessing that is. It's good. I find it's a good thing to teach your kids to cook at a very young age. It teaches them independence. And that way when they get older, hopefully they won't be calling you to help cook, or at least cook for them all the time, because you give them that independence to learn to cook at a young age. They can do certain things for themselves. I believe in that good parenting. So let's get this turkey seasoned and get the day going. I'm gonna put up my hair, and the girls them are gonna be seasoning the turkeys.
We're finished basting this big fat turkey. Like, it's huge. And
It's
right
time.
now, it's too heavy.
So
We can't take up that turkey.
So-
Mom's gonna put it in the oven, and we're gonna just wash up. And yeah, make you see we're gonna help her prepare the other food.
yeah.
As you can see, the girls are finished doing the turkey for me, which is nice. So now I could actually put it in the oven, and the oven has been heated to about, what did I put it? 400. So I'm just going to put it in the oven now and let it sit for a good maybe 4 or 5 hours. I love slow cooking my turkey. The longer it's in there sometimes, the better it is. But I put it on a very low temperature once it goes in, so let it sit and cook through the day to make that bad boy nice and tender. So the girls them are just going to help me out and clean up, and then we are going to start prepping the other food. Yes, because we are making some candy yams today, some macaroni pie. We're also doing some macaroni salad, maybe some potato salad, mashed potatoes. We got a few things on our list, and some baked chicken. We got a few things, the rice and peas. I'm just gonna start doing that.
Peeling those potatoes. Look at that. This is our setup, and I have the sweet potatoes to cut up.
And I have potatoes.
This is how far we've reached. One thing, you should always get adult supervision. Indeed, when you
What it looks like when we're all done.
Don't-
Oh! Whoa!
No, put it down, put it down to the pot so the water doesn't sting on you. Okay, now I'm gonna
Okay,
mix.
garbage right here. And yeah, my sister is gonna be mixing that. I'm gonna just mix my
It's kind of like a
potatoes
spiral
around.
shape. So we'll just leave that on the stove for about like a good 10 or 15 minutes. This is macaroni and cheese. We have the macaroni inside. I add some butter and milk. And what are you gonna do with this? Are you gonna add it in here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's start adding our ingredients. wooden spoon. I'm only
So then put the bread comes in now. Think of the bread crumbs.
You see, when you're dealing with hot pots like what I am, always wear a mittens and never put a plastic container just like this around the pot, because then it can catch the house on fire. So that is too sticky.
I'm still getting the cheese for the topping for the mac and cheese pie off the stove.
And I'm gonna take this pot lid, cover that up so I'll safe and sound fine. I wanna get my hands dirty. There is like so much. I wish I had a bigger spoon. I only have a little bit here. Try not to get yourself burned by the water because this water is really hot. So I'm gonna make that. So we're gonna check on the turkey now. Mom, I think the turkey's ready. Can you come take it out? I'm gonna drizzle it. Well, she has the brush and I have this squeeze here. I'm gonna squeeze on a little bit of that sauce. So make this. Ooh, it's all mushy and ready. So right now we're layering. And guys, we're doing the other layer, and she's gonna be putting the macaroni on. Be putting on the layer. And I think I think that's good. Okay, so let's see what's gonna. That's cookie. There, my little baby fingers. Okay, so we've done spreading all the cheese, as you can see, and we're just gonna put it in the oven. It takes about like 10 to 15 minutes, and we're gonna put some aluminum foil on the top. Can you have aluminum foil? Here you go. I can't even say the word. Okay, let me help you. Ready?
Yeah.
Make sure that you're part. Okay. Ready? Cup.
Open up the macaroni pie.
And we have some peas on the stove. Right here. I'll hold this one for you. Go for it. Kind of like carry it like around. Yeah. And yep, that's
Let me
all.
mix it now.
So meanwhile she's mixing that, I'm gonna go for the chicken. Okay guys. Look, I've set up everything already. Wow. So I think we'll start with this. I'll take the chicken seasoning.
And
This is a little pack, so
yeah.
I suggest you pour like everything. Okay, ready to pour at the same time?
Okay.
Wait, let me break that piece off.
Me too.
Ready?
No.
Telling me I love you. And when you're done,
Okay guys, so yes, unfortunately the girls them took over the vlog and they ended up cooking for the day. So I just pretty much helped and I will show you guys the results. I hope you guys do enjoy this vlog and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. All right, let's show you guys what